Hello, if you clicked on this video, you probably clicked on it to get your Steam account back if you forgot your email, your password, or whatever. So first, you will obviously want to go to Steam and click on sign in, and just click on help. I can't sign in. Then go, I forgot my Steam account name or password. You can just put in whatever email you want. It can just be a jumbled mess like this. So just put in I'm not a robot, and I'll search and I'll say cannot be able to find it. So then you'll be able to click on search of my account name. If you don't remember your account name, same, just type in random characters, search, and if you still can't do it, search again, and then do it a couple times, and then you're able to click here for Steam support and just give them your information and you'll get your account back. It's really just that simple. I don't know why people are making 5-minute tutorials. It's really simple. Just do that. Put in your current email address, what you think the username is, give any necessary information, and also just give us some documents of yourself so you can prove that this account is yours. And yeah, I hope that helped you, and subscribe to the channel for some tutorials, some gaming videos. And thank you so much for watching. And also in the description there's a video of how I got my own Steam account back and the journey which I did to get that back. So go watch that video if you're interested in it, and see you guys next time.